Another leak claims Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 will be water resistant. Okay. That's a good sign. Remember when the specks of dust were getting under there?
Mm-hmm. I'm more curious about, like the fold.
The hinge.
The hinge part, because I think the first two had a lot of openings, right? Even though they covered it slightly on the Fold 2, I mean, dust can get in there.
Yeah, I know.
Why not water?
Well,
so
but when it comes to water, you have those different types of coatings you can put on the board and components that even if water does get in, it doesn't penetrate really.
Some sort of hydrophobic coating.
So, in a way, maybe the water one is easier than the dust one. A new leak suggests both the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 will come with an IPX8 rating. I was sitting around last night talking with some people in real life, and they were asking me about this phone. I just thought that would be interesting to you because, we were talking earlier before we started rolling about people's interest in smartphones and how there's a lot of parity, a lot of similarities, and the excitement might not be there like it has been in the past. This is one device that gets people talking about smartphones again. The Fold.
Yeah.
Because people were saying to me, when's the next version come out? And what's it going to cost? And if they can figure out a way to get the cost down on it.
You think that the people you're talking to are going to get it?
Maybe one out of the three.
Really?
Why? Is this crazy to you?
How old were they? I'm curious.
I'm going to say around 40.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You have strong feelings here. I really want to get to the bottom of this. What?
Wow. Like, the Fold is an investment.
Is
any kind of flip device.
It's going to be less than the retail price was last time, though.
Sure.
That was the other rumor.
Let's just say, what? 1,400?
More.
1,500.
Are you talking Canadian or U.S.?
U.S.
Yeah, U.S. I think the rumor was $17.99 or something like that.
Okay, so $17.99, that's a commitment for...
Oh, God, yeah, dude. It's a commitment. I mean, we're not getting around that part of it, but I'm just saying for an audience that's looking to just experience something different, there's not options. There's just so few options that provide that novelty in your pocket.
Yes.
That the smartphone once did. And funny enough, I don't even necessarily think when it comes to the Fold that it's not doing everything better because it's heavy, it's a brick, it's got all these user issues as a phone. But one thing you can't say one thing you can't say it's missing is novelty. When you pop it out, man, and you crack it open,
what the heck?
That's a time, dude.
Yeah.
Are you laughing at my presence? I guess they put my video, the photo's a little bit serious.
On their website.
Yeah.
Interesting.
But anyways, this device makes people giddy. They pull it out and they feel like something different happened when you open it up. And so the next version, presumably with some improvements, maybe lighter weight, and maybe I'm gonna go find a Z Fold 2 and start using it right now.
Sure. Yeah.
Before the Z Fold 3 comes out, so I have a fresher perspective on whatever improvements they do make. They're supposed to be playing with the material on the inside and some other factors. Maybe it's supposed to get lighter as well. So I'm gonna go track it down because that thing, man, I don't care what you say, it's fun.
It is fun.
It's a brick, but it's got some fun to it.
Yeah. Let's try it out.